darkness began. There we go. Megadeth, Tornado.
Can I pick one after my dad?
This morning I'm in my car with the one that makes it out. Hanging up, I wanted to cry. And one time I just once got died. Not for the money, not for the fame, not for the wow, just no more games. But now I'm sitting in the eye of a tornado. One down the place like that, 1,000 days go. I'm more living trapped inside. In a way I surely die. Will the eye of the tornado blow me away? You don't know my name. You hate me just the same. You want me your friend, and still you mean you're dead. Not for the years, not for the dues. Not for the teenagers, just some abuse. But now I'm sitting in the eye, the tornado. Why can't the place last 11,000 days go? The more living trapped inside, in my way I surely die. With the eye of the tornado, blow me away. Who's to say what's for me to say? Who's to say what's for me to be? Who's to say what's for me to do? Cause I think nothing will be for me. Opportunity, the boy is for me. My future looks so bright. Now I think I see Can't say what's on my mind. Can't do what I really feel. When it's done, never late. Which way I see the enemy. I spin around again. My voice into your head. When I touch you in your bed, you feel my fingertips. You won't forget my lips. You feel my soul burn. With the kiss of death.